During climb, special attention should be made passing the transition altitude to reset the altimeter to the standard setting of 1013 millibars or 29.92 inches. Reset the altimeter. When cruise altitude is captured or when you are cleared to a new flight level within RVSM airspace, the airplane should not be allowed to overshoot or undershoot by more than 150 feet. An automatic level off is recommended. Pilots should verify that the cruise altitude matches the ATC clearance received. A recheck of the standard altimeter setting is recommended when reaching the initial cleared flight level. After your initial level off and while in RVSM airspace, cross-check and record the primary altimeters approximately every hour. They should agree within 200 feet. A lesser value may be specified in the aircraft operating manual. Depending on your aircraft, the standby altimeter may not be certified for RVSM. However, the difference between the primary and standby altimeters should be noted for use in contingency situations. Be sure that you are complying with any aircraft operating restrictions, such as a maximum Mach number for RVSM airspace. Accurate speeds and accurate position reports provide the basis for longitudinal separation between successive aircraft. Maintain your assigned Mach number at all times, including en route climbs and descents, unless a specific reclearance is obtained. Continue to fly your assigned speed after leaving oceanic airspace unless ATC authorizes a change. Transponder settings differ slightly depending on the airspace. See the proper orientation chart for reference. In the Pacific, the standard operating procedure is to squawk 2000 when entering a FIR from an adjacent region where operation of a transponder has not been required or assigned. For North Atlantic airspace, retain your last assigned code for 30 minutes after entering NAT airspace, then squawk 2000. Reset the transponder. If operating in Reykjavik's airspace, they may assign you a discrete code. If assigned, use it throughout the Reykjavik OCA. Now, let's do a quick review of the TCAS system. Recall that for RVSM airspace, if TCAS is installed, it must be TCAS 2 version 7 or later. The alerting criteria has been adjusted to accommodate the reduced vertical separation. However, nuisance alerts are still possible but can be reduced with proper procedures. If two aircraft are approaching adjacent flight levels in the same proximity, an alert will be triggered if the closure rate between the two is 1,500 feet per minute or greater. For this reason, the pilots should restrict their rate of climb or descent to 1,000 feet per minute or less when operating within 5 nautical miles and 2,000 feet of other aircraft to minimize the generation of TAs and RAs. During flight, the transponder mode selector should remain in the TA-RA mode. For level flight, traffic alerts are triggered at 850 feet. Resolution advisories are triggered at 700 feet. Finally, recall that all RAs must be reported to ATC.